Hello and welcome back. As always, our main reference for this lecture is speedrun.com. You'll find all the code snippets we have covered in this lecture. It covers other topics such as design patterns, loops, object-oriented, and so on. We highly recommend the site for C# developers. In this video, we'll install Visual Studio and create a new project. At the time of recording, the latest version is Visual Studio 2019 version 16.11. As we have seen in the slides, there are three editions. We have the community, the professional, and enterprise. Just click on download for whichever version you need and install it using the default settings. Once the installation is done using the default setting, we are going to add some workloads to our Visual Studio. So just type in Visual Studio installer in the search bar and start it up. So you will see this screen, click on modify, and you will see a list of workloads available for this version of Visual Studio. We will be needing this one, .NET Desktop Development workload, to be able to use the console application. So make sure you tick this, and it will take some time to add the required files. As you can see here, I've already downloaded and installed the workload. So we will skip and move on to the next section. So when we launch Visual Studio 2019, here's how the screen will look like. If you already created some projects previously, it will appear over here on the left. Otherwise, you can create a new project, open a new project, but we'll click on continue without coding. And over here, we will type in file, new, and project. And we will filter the options using C#, Windows, and console. We are going to click on console.NET Core and click on next, and let the default specify whatever name you want for the project name, and choose a location to display to save it, and click on create, and we should be ready to start programming. So in the Solution Explorer, there will be the program.cs. Double click, or if it is already open, but it should be open by default. So the IDE has generated all of these code for us. If the Solution Explorer doesn't appear on the right, you can click on View and Solution Explorer or Control WS. Don't worry about all these menus. We won't be using them. To execute our program, we just need to click on here and choose the application. And voila, we have successfully compiled and executed our application. It should print hello world. So our hard work has finally paid off. Congratulations if you have followed along with me. We have successfully executed and compiled our first application. For additional lectures, check out our Udemy courses. The link is in the description box below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you guys later. Goodbye.